We are not human beings having a spiritual experience. We are spiritual beings having a human experience. The desire for symmetry, for balance, for rhythm in form as well as in sound is one of the most inveterate of human instincts. It has become appallingly obvious that our technology has exceeded our humanity. If your humanity overflows, divinity will come in search of you. Humanity is acquiring right technology for all the wrong reasons. Kindness is the best form of humanity. Always embrace the common humanity that lies at the heart of us all.